Fontana Lima Ultra-thin rain shower head with built-in thermostatic mixer and handheld shower set. Product code FS3061UH. The Lima Ultra-thin shower head with concealed thermostatic mixer valve shower set is a perfect addition to any bathroom. The thermostatic mixer valve gives you complete temperature control with a built-in anti-scalding device, so you'll never have to worry about a drop in temperature again. Chrome-plated solid brass construction built-in anti-scald device set to 38 degrees, easy clean, anti-limescale rubber jets, minimum wall depth of 3.4287 millimeters, required minimum 1.0 bar, water pressure. Fontana Lima Ultra-thin rain shower head with built-in thermostatic mixer and handheld shower set. Features: brand name FontanaShowers, model number FS3061UH. Type shower set, style contemporary, number of handles dual handle, type fixed rotatable, type surface finish chrome, feature thermostatic mixer, cold hot water control, type dual holder dual control, size see options, surface treatment polished, valve core material ceramic, installation type wall or ceiling mount.